number one, we have negative exponents in the zero product property. We are going to try to simplify the expression. So let's take a look at the negative power property. The negative power property says that if a factor is either on the bottom or the top of the fraction bar, you have to move it across and the sign will change. Okay, so here we have a. Right now it's technically on top of a number 1. Do you see how it's a negative 10 to the power? So what happens is now it can come down. Since it comes down, it's x to the positive 10 now, and there's still a 1 on top. It's now a positive power because it moved across the fraction bar. Notice b, everything here is raised to the negative 1 power. So right now it's on top, so we can move it down. So the 8 goes down, the y20 goes down, and it's everything to the to a 1 on top, right? Then c, it's to the 0 power. Let's take a look at the zero product, the zero exponent rule. Any base except 0 raised to the 0 power is always equal to 1. So notice everything here is raised to the 0 power, so this is just equal to 1.